Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the trim command of the sketching module. For that we are gonna sketch some of the geometry. We are going to make a center rectangle for that. This is a rectangle and some of the circle around these. In order to make the uh, sketch as a whole or a complete sketch for the extrusion, we need to remove the coinciding lines between the circle and the rectangle. These lines we need to remove. For that, select the trim entities and you have to click and drag on the respective lines. The lines will be removed and the command is still running, and again for the second circle, and you have to be very careful about that. It can also remove the any of the required line as well. Okay, so all the coinciding lines are removed. The sketch is complete. Now we will convert it into the extrude form.